everyone, hope you are doing well. So देखते हैं कुछ important update on Indian defense sector. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So Indian Army sets up one of the world's highest tank repair facilities near China's border in Ladakh area. तो जैसे हमको पता है 2020 के बाद जो इंडिया और चाइना का स्टैंड ऑफ हुआ था, उसके बाद से ईस्टर्न लद्दाख रीजन काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्टर में आ गया बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स के लिए. एंड इंडियन आर्मी वहाँ पे काफ़ी 500 प्लस टैंक्स और इन्फेंट्री कॉम्बैट व्हीकल वहाँ पे डिप्लॉयड है. तो उसके रिपेयर के लिए अभी एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड जैसा हुआ है जहाँ पे इंडियन आर्मी ने अपना टैंक रिपेयर फैसिलिटीज वहाँ पे डिप्लॉय किया है. सो इंडियन आर्मी एक्चुअली हैज़ बीन क्रिएटिंग दिस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कि उसका टैंक, उसका T-90, T-72 और बाकी वज्रा, K9 वज्रा सबके लिए हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड में कैसे तैनात किया जाए, एक्सट्रीमली लो इन लो टेम्परेचर एंड एक्सेट्रा. सो द फैसिलिटी was there. On top of that अभी repair भी होना चालू हो गया. So it will give a very good boost to our industry. And India and China has been engaged in the standoff region for last 4 years, and 50,000 troops each from India and China has been deployed for that reason. So अभी एयरफोर्स ने एक very important Arogya Maitri Cube test किया है, which is world first, another world first, yeah, world first airlifted portable hospital. So built under the project BHISHM, Bharat Health Initiative for Sahyog, Hita and Maitri. It's the first that kind of disaster hospital which can be airlifted and packed in 72 cubes. So उसका आगरा में टेस्ट हुआ है. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि इसका जो अनाउंस हुआ था 2022 फरवरी में, एंड फाइनली इट्स गॉट टेस्टेड. upon landing the hospital was operational within 12 minutes. मतलब 12 मिनट में आपका एक हॉस्पिटल खड़ा हो जाएगा. That important aspect of this, the structure designed in form of cube, the waterproof, lightweight and capable of treating up to 200 patients. That's a great number. 12 minutes a hospital will be set, 200 patient can be treated. तो कहीं जगह पे शायद वो कोई वार सिचुएशन हो, फ्लड हो, आग लग गया, टेररिस्ट अटैक हो, everywhere where there is a medical emergency needed, this is will be the milestone and game changing facilities. And this also equipped with the X-ray machine, operation theater, blood test equipment, ventilator. So a gunshot, burn, fracture, major bleeding, anything like that, you can have the setup handy within 12 minutes, and it cost around 1.5 crore. That's fine, but most important, the feature it is getting enabled, and that's why it's one of the first in the world. So great achievement. Now Sri Lanka seeks the establishment joint small arm plants with India. So they are actually looking for some partnership, right? So speaking of the presidential media center, collective path to stable country, Sri Lanka ने कहा है कि yes, they want the involvement with India for the weapon manufacturer. So we'll see how the things going to happen. So connectivity is really good, and military to military connectivity, it's a high stake. So we maintain that. That is what State Minister said, and they appraise that yes, we can take a lot from Indian model. So there's nothing wrong with learning from them, and I think we should get into the manufacturing. So it's a boost between these two countries. And the Sri Lankan Ministry of Defense already announced a plan to reduce the size of Sri Lankan army, the largest component of the defense force, to approximately 1 lakh personnel by 2030. So this kind of communication happened between these two countries. Another big news yesterday, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said that India gonna build some more aircraft carrier to ensure the maritime role in Indian Ocean region. So he said that we will not stop at 3 carriers; we will make 5 or 6 more. So that came all of a sudden. So as of now, we have 2 operational aircraft carrier, that is INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant, right? And the Indian Navy has a set at 2035, which is around 11 years from now, deadline to become 175 warship force, right? So its warship doesn't mean only the carrier; it's the destroyer and maritime, everything together. So what the Indian Navy said that at the present rate, the 2 aircraft carriers is too little less because the Indian Navy responsibilities are spreading wide. Obviously, India is getting engaged with the Indo-Pacific region conflict and all this diplomatic role. So a third and perhaps even more aircraft carriers are needed because what carrier can provide, no other modern ship can offer, obviously. But when it gonna happen, when it will be commissioned, that time we'll say more details to come on this area. But yeah, there is a good visibility that yes, we are getting into more aircraft carrier near soon. Thanks, friends, for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.